Hi, good morning all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. I did very, very well. So let's see what we have today in our E-mini gold and crude oil. Before we do that, let me share with you that like how I would be trading my UVXY. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart E-mini. If you see, we had this kind of a sell-off, and then we saw this bounce. Let me have. Then we have, okay. Then we have this bounce. Then we again saw the sell-off, made a double top, double bottom, and we saw this kind of a bounce. So, or you see here, we saw a sell-off, we saw a semi bounce. Saw a sell-off, we saw a very weak bounce and sell-off. Over here, I think what's going to happen is, like we have too many support levels as of now, and the major support is the breakout point, which is 1966. We can drag a little bit down, we can drag a little bit up. In a bigger picture, this is the short, but I would advise you all to lock your profit at certain stages. Like, let's say if you're long UVXY, buy let's take here, I'm in UVXY yesterday. Let me take 5 minutes. Yesterday you all know that I bought about 2016, something like that, and it's I had my order to sell half of it at 2116. I personally thought, that yesterday it's going to be a bull reversal at the end of a day, but we saw a sell-off, and I also had my limit order to buy another 10 to 20% of my shares below, which is 1920, 1925. So I had these orders, good to cancel orders, in the market, but I sold half of my shares, half of my position, and 2116. So this is very important. We need to lock our profits. We cannot bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. So you have to remember that we cannot be too greedy. We are here to make good money. We are here to lock our profits. If we do not do that, market will take it back from us. So let's go back to E-mini 4 hour. Over here, I think, you all can see, we are dragging down, but again, maybe this is 1, 2, 3 push down. This is a bull flag. This is a wedge. So we can see a bounce here. We can see a bounce here. If you see here, we can see some kind of a bounce here, or we can retest 2019. Bounce will be coming. At the end of the day, we need to test our this trend line, but maybe before that we can get a deeper pullback. We go sideways, and then we go that maybe we do not get a climax to 1800, or we to 1900, early 1900s. We do not get a climax to that, but definitely we should short this market. I'm shorting this market. I'm making good money off it. So that is the way to make money right now, is selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low. So as of now, I'm short in the market. I'll scale higher, I'll make money, I'll lock my profits, and that's the way to go in this kind of a scenario. As of now, it looks very bearish to me, but these support levels, this bounce will be either from weak short guys who are buying, who are covering their shots, thinking, okay, we made a lot of money, and maybe it's a bounce and they're going to cover, or it's going to be from uninformed buyers, like in TV gurus. Everybody gonna say, okay, we are going to the moon. This market going to go, I don't know where, 2200, something like that. But before the election, I don't think this is going to happen. I'm it's my personal opinion. Before the election, investors, I mean, we are sitting in our office and thinking about it, but there are people who are doing billion-dollar transactions. They need to understand that who is going to be next president, who is going to be the next president of the strongest country in the world. So that it's very important. This is very important to know who going to rule us for next 4 years, and what are their perspectives. What are they looking forward to bring for the better economy in US and world. So I'm bearish. I'll short this market go up. I'll short this market. Looking bearish to me. Lock your profits on UVXY. I think we can go up to 23, 24, something like that, or 25 at the most, and we can see pullback in UVXY. That means bounce in ES. So after that, it's going to make a lower high top or something like that, and we're going to go low. Why I make that decision is from the weekly chart. I mean, from the weekly, I have two support levels. One is low of this, which is about 2026. The other one is low of this, which is about 2019. So these two levels, if they take, then I can say that, okay, the bounce is not coming. We are going down straight. But as of now, I think bounce is coming. We can, this week can be a roller coaster ride, little bit up, little bit down. But I would say lock your profits. That's the most important thing. At least lock your profits on half. At least lock your profits on some of your positions so that overall your position becomes profitable. Let me do 4 hours. So right now what I'm thinking is, as you all know, I'm thinking this to retest 219 and blow, and this guy, I'm shorting this guy. Like it can go up. As a day trader, I'll take a trade whatever market gives me. As a swing trader, I am short in the market, so I'm selling this guy, no matter what. Let's see what we have in gold, in crude oil. I mean, this guy, crude oil is supporting this guy as well, because we have a strong price action going in crude oil. Look at this, how beautiful these lines, are. Like we have these lines from way back. These were our targets when we were here. If you guys remember, we were here, and I said these are our targets. And this is getting weaker. These tails here, these big tails here, these are people are taking a short position. They're selling the market right now. So right now we are testing this breakout when the bear breakout happened. We can poke through this, and we can test 41, 29ish. I mean, I'm thinking we can go up to 22, but let's see. Let's see how market behaves. At these important price levels. For me, right now, it's all about support and resistance. Right now, we are facing resistance. Above this resistance, my next target, a swing target, will be 41.29. It's going to be very simple. So like as of now, on your left hand side, if you see. Let me draw this. On my left hand side, if you see, it's too many levels of supports and resistance. Those who were holding their positions from here, they have been holding a big negative position, and they're just about to breathe. So like they will be selling. There will be a lot of confusion going to happen here. Everything going to look like it's going for the bull breakout and this and that. I do not believe so. As a market, in the market, I think we are getting a pullback, deeper pullback. As oil, I think, like we can see some kind of a trading range or a pullback as well. Let's see what we have in gold. I mean, in gold, it goes the same way. Like it's trying to poke through this guy and go for the next level. Right now we will be reaching our resistance area, reaching our trading range price action area. This is very nested. Very nested area this side. So I think what we're going to see here is, we can see some kind of a bounce, and after that bounce, somewhere here we're going to fail. As market need to bounce. It all depends on our EMINI. It's all depend on our market. If market goes down very fast, so this guy can retest the high as well. So like, look at this as I'm not focusing a lot on gold because I believe that like E-mini shorting the market as a right pace with the right amount with the right size, we can make a lot of money there. That's looking very simple. This thing I will be taking some day trades in NUGT or something like that, but taking a trade bullish because I'm bearish in the market. Sorry guys, because I'm bearish in the market. I'm taking a bullish trade here because I'm bearish in the market. When I see a pullback in the market, what I'm bull pullback on the market, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell some calls, or I'm going to buy some puts on NUGT. But we have a great breakout, so let's see how it goes. Gold. Let's keep an eye on crude oil and E-mini as of now. Gold. It's a little bit of a emotionally driven thing as well. Like the market can really jump high and low on it. But as of now, market is going down. We are going high on gold. Let's see which level is important. Right now, we have the next level, which is 1266. Then we have the level which is 1271. After 1271, I think then we will be testing some area where like where it's going to be a good 10-20 point gain here. Like in this area, we can test this. We can test the another high and make a lower high and then go for the reversal. So let's go to the E-mini again. Lock your profits, guys. Lock your profits. As of now, it looks like it's making, honestly, this guy here, this is not make any meaning to me. Let me draw a few trend lines. Maybe we can retest this and then go down. This trend line will be a breakout here for us. And this guy here, this has been poking from this. So something like this. I think day is going to get smaller and smaller, and then we're going to get a bull breakout. I think we will be getting a bull breakout here, but that's going to be a bull trap. That's what my opinion is. That's going to be a bull trap, and with this we might able to test over this guy here, and after that it's going to be a washout. It's going to be a fall down. So my advice is lock your profits in UVXY, lock your profits on gold, NUGT, lock your profits on E-mini. Locking your profits is very important here. Lock 0.5%, take profit on half, 50%, 60%, 25%, at least. Overall trade, it all depends on how you manage your trade, but overall trade will be profitable. It's not that your gains are exposed to the market and market can take back anytime. The money which is not locked, which is not confirmed, it does not belong to you. So you need to sell your shares. You need to close your positions to lock your profits. Please lock your profits. Let's sell the market. Let's go swing trade. Let's sell the market and make a lot of money in UVXY. Target in a swing trade is 30, 35, and we are at least 10 points. 10 points. If even you are buying 1,000 shares, it's $10,000. So it's coming. It's coming. Trust me, it's coming. Okay, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'll see you soon on my Twitter account, and let's make money today. Bye bye.